Hi, hello and welcome to another video by the scientist formerly known as Nigeli. Today I would like to show you how to make a DIY phone case from two soda cans. The phone case consists of a bottom part and a lid, both fitting precisely into each other. Besides protecting your phone, you can also use this box as a pencil case. So if you're interested in this reuse project, I really would love to show you how to make this shiny box for your phone out of regular soda cans. Remove the ink and then process the can so that it keeps the shape you want. The following items are required to complete the project: foam rubber, popsicle sticks, soda cans, wooden blocks, a stapler, utility knife, scissors, some contact adhesive and double-sided adhesive film. So the first step in this project is to choose the correct size of the soda cans. In my part of the world we have like 3 types. So the first type is this 500 ml beer can with around 66 millimeters in diameter. The second type is this Coke can with around 58 millimeters in diameter, and then we have this Red Bull can with 53 millimeters in diameter. For our project we used the smaller 2 types. To make this reuse project really something special, we first remove the ink from the soda can. If you subscribe to my channel already, you know how to remove the ink from soda cans. If not, please subscribe and then follow the link in the upper right corner, and then you know how to make these shiny soda cans. After removing the ink, we come to the part of the project where we remove the bottom and the top part of the soda can. Hold the utility knife at a level plane using the wooden block, and then rotate the can around to make a groove into the soda can. Along the groove, apply a little bit of pressure with your fingernails. And if you wonder why Freddy's face show up on this soda can, that's a leftover from another project, so please check out all my videos. So now we come to the part of the project where we want to make the spacers that we need to bring the soda can in the correct shape. Reduce the popsicle sticks to the desired length. Align the 2 pieces with a model which is 8.1 centimeters that you prepared already, and then fix it with a stapler. The reason why we choose a stapler here is because it's quite easy, and we are going to expose the spacer to a lot of heat, therefore a hot glue gun would not do the job.
The second type of spacer is made from the third aluminum can. The spacer is about 13.5 centimeters long and 2.5 centimeters wide. Then make a slit with the scissors from both sides,
in a way that you can place the 2 ends into each other, forming this fish type structure. In the end you should have 4 wooden spacers and 3 aluminum spacers of each type.
For the lid of our phone case we choose the bigger one of the 2 soda cans and start to carefully place all spacers inside the soda can so the round shaped soda can gets the desired shape.
Repeat the entire process step also for the second soda can that you need for the bottom part of your mobile phone case.
Now comes the magic. Place both parts into the oven for half an hour at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit so that the soda cans keep their shape permanently even if you take out the spacers. What's happening in the oven is the following. In order that the beverage inside the soda can does not come in contact with the aluminum, manufacturers of soda cans add special sealant glue on the inside. Since the soda can is produced in round shapes, the later on added sealant glue holds the soda can in the round shape. In the oven, you are heating the sealant glue past its glass transition temperature and allowing it to move. So the sealant glue is adapting to the new shape, holding it in place. So it's unlikely that the crystal structure of your metal is affected since you hardly reached the annealing temperature. After removing all the spacers, you can see that the aluminum cans perfectly keep their shape permanently. In order to shorten the lid to the correct size, place an edding onto a wooden block, mark an even line onto the soda can and then cut along the line with a scissor. Here you can already test if the lid fits into the bottom part.
Now we make the closure for both parts, and it's made out of 2 mm foam rubber. Prepare 3 pieces of foam rubber and glue them together using contact adhesive. After having glued the 3 together, you check the thickness. You see here it's around 7 millimeters. To bring your closure into the correct form, take one of your wooden spacers and then cut the foam rubber that you have prepared with the utility knife into the shape you need. Again, use contact adhesive and add it to the side of your closure. And with the help of a Q-tip, you also add contact adhesive to the inside of your lid. Then let the contact adhesive dry for around 10 minutes. And then you carefully add the closure into the upper part of the lid. Repeat this entire step also for the bottom part of the soda can. In order that the foam does not fall off the bottom part and also to protect it from scratches, 2 pieces of foam rubber are added using double adhesive tape. For the lid, a single foam rubber piece is placed inside. The foam rubber piece for the lid is overlapping the aluminum, acting as a fitting. And you reached already the end of this project, and I hope you enjoyed making this DIY phone case out of soda cans. And if you are interested in more innovative DIY projects like this one, making a phone case out of soda cans, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.